Hey there, future bestseller. Today we are diving deep into how you can use your business credit to catapult your Amazon KDP business to new heights. From funding your next big project to maximize your marketing effort, we have got all the insider tips you need. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future guides. Let's turn the page on your KDP success story. First things first, let's talk about what business credit is. It's a track record of your business financial responsibility, which banks and lenders use to determine whether to lend you money or not. The major credit bureaus tracking these are Experience Business, Equifax Business, and Dun and Bradstreet. Establishing a solid business credit profile can help you secure better interest rates and more favorable credit terms. To start building a business credit, follow these steps. First, establish your business legally. I would suggest to start with an LLC. Make sure your business is registered and has a EIA number, which is the employer identification number, which basically is the social security number of your business. The next things you want to do is open a business bank account. It's crucial for separating personal finances from business transaction, and that is crucial. Like this is really, really big. Keep it separate totally. That way you don't mess up your finance. And for tax purpose, is always going to be is also going to be important to keep it separate. The other thing is basically get a business credit card. First of all, use it wisely and use it for a small purchase and pay it off constantly to build your credit history. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, drop any question or comment that you have in the comment section below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to check out my free VIP group for more exclusive resources. I will leave the link in the description box below. Coming back to the subject, when it comes to scaling your KDP business, certain credit products can be particularly beneficial. The first one is going to be a business line of credit, which basically is going to help you out. It's going to be great for ongoing expenses like advertising campaign or large scale print runs. Another one is going to be a business credit card with rewards. Basically, look for cards or credit cards that offer cash back on ads, expense, or supply office supplies, such as an American Express Blue Business Plus. The next one is a personal loan. If you are investing heavily in a big launch, a personal loan might make sense to cover upfront costs. So just keep in mind this might be a tricky decision to make. So if you don't have a good business credit or strong business credit profile and you do have a strong personal, maybe you can start with a personal loan that can catapult your um, KDP business and you can go from there. But also at the same time, you have to build a strong building business profile. That way you can start leveraging your business credit. Here is how to smartly use your business credit. Inventory and supplies. Stock up on copies of your books for events or bulk sales without depleting your cash reserves. Marketing and advertising. This is a huge one because investing on in investing in Amazon ads, social media campaigns, and email marketing services to boost your book sales. You have to understand that it doesn't matter if you have to print, it's going to be a print out book or a own electronic ebook or something like that. You also have to think about marketing and advertising that can help you with your sales. It can boost your sales tremendously. Think about some strategic that you can implement for peak season or holiday season, something like that that can add some value. You can put maybe some combos or maybe put some kind of a few books together and make some kind of offer that people cannot say no to it, because these type of things attract customer and can benefit you tremendously. So keep this in mind. Hiring freelancer if needed. Use credit to hire graphic designer, editors, or marketing consultant to enhance your book's quality and to your book's quality and reach. That's if needed. A lot of people like to do this type of work themselves to just keep it more personalized. But also there is an option that you can just hire this personnel and help you out in this with this task. Let's take a look at a couple of example where KDP authors successfully use business credit. The first one is, let's say John Doe used a line of credit to fund a targeted Facebook ad campaign, resulting in a 50% increase of his book sales over 3 months. This is something that we are aiming to. So we have to understand that when we are talking with books, ads are really really important. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm one of those people that when I'm on social media, a lot of ads of books that catch my attention or are my interest, because social media kind of reach your mind. They know what you like, they know how you think and all of the things, so they send to your profile when you are scrolling and see things that probably are your cup of tea, to say something. I mean, something that you might like. And that's how people get stuck with these ads and purchase it. So I have been falling for that. There is an ad that pop up and I read a little teaser or something like that of a specific book, then boom, I finish buy it. If that's something that I caught my attention, I will invest on it. I mean, I will purchase it. But also you have to understand, you have to design a really good product. But even though that, you're going to have your customers, you're going to have people that is going to align with your product and purchase it. And I believe, truly believe, that ads are the way to go. Another example is, let's say Jane Smith. um, Jane took a small business loan to hire a professional editor and cover design for her series, which then became a bestseller. So this key is, like I mentioned before, sometimes you might hire somebody. There is different places that you can find good people, maybe copywriter, I don't know, whatever you think you might need to help you out to do the all of what you need to do faster and launch that product or that book as soon as possible and go from there. So this is really good things. One of the places that you can go to find personal or professional in that expertise could be Upwork. I think that that's really a common one that people use. So keep that in mind. So, coming back to the subject, leveraging business credit can open up a whole new chapter of growth for your Amazon KDP business. So, with the right approach, you can manage bigger projects, enhance your book's market presence, and ultimately increase your royalties. Because remember, us as a consumer, me putting myself on that environment. I mean, if I like, for example, in a specific weight of an author, how does he or she write? I mean, I will follow. I would like to read the whole series. So you have to put that in a small. Is I mean, you have to put a lot of effort on your presence online, on your personal brand, selling yourself, selling what you write. Social media nowadays is everything. So you have to go strong on that part. That way they know you, they know what you're looking. They connect with you and you can go from there. Thank you for tuning in. If this video helped you somehow, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with fellow KDP authors that can help them out. Don't forget to join my free VIP group for more insights. I will leave the link in the description box below. Keep writing, keep publishing, and keep growing. See you in the next video. Bye.